ชมสถานศึกษาเด่นเรามุ่งเน้นอย่างเหมาะสมคุณครูช่วยอบรมบ่มนิสัยให้สิทธิ์ดี
Hello, good morning students and parents and สวัสดีค่ะ Here is teacher BBs again here. This week students we are going to learn about the rainy season and the Thailand have a rainy season. I don't know the world have a different season but in the Thailand is rainy season, okay? So students is stay at home. You can see every day in the afternoon, in the morning have a rain in Thailand. Is a drop is fall down and all the our home our area all wet and the water everywhere we can see. So teacher BB have a teach you about the rainy season now here and teacher BB teach through the PowerPoint and hope when student come back to school teacher BB repeat and teacher BB teach one more time and student will be remember all this one. So teacher BB is the buddy of the co-teacher O and our class we have a kindergarten 2/7, okay? So teacher BB is going to teach about the rain, how is rain is come and how we know is the rainy season now because every day student can see the sun but when the rain is come before the rain fall down we can see something happens around us, the weather change and how is the change? The first teacher BB is going to teach student about the rainy season. Okay, you speak here. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. Rainy. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Rainy season. Rainy season. This week our topic is rainy season, okay? So what is the rainy season and how is the rainy season? What happened in the rainy season? Teacher BB is going to teach here, okay? So are you ready? Okay, go and speak with teacher BB, okay? Before the rain is a heavy wind, heavy air. Teacher BB say air, we feel air and wind, okay? Windy is the heavy wind. Wind is come, heavy wind, all the leaf is fall down, everything is go to sometimes very heavy wind and everything destroy. So it is the sign because its rain is go to fall down now. So it's a wind, and we say windy, okay, wind. After wind, we say on the sky is the light. The sky is going to the lightning, like the light. Why all sky is lightning, brightening? So we say lightning. Lightning is we call lightning. When you say before the rain, the all sky is go to the bright and light is going to like the chip, chip, chip like this one. You must know this is going to rain soon and you say lightning, lightning, okay? After the lightning, we can see thunder. Thunder is like this one, have a heavy voice. This is, we can see, boom. The student is scared and they have, mom, I'm scared. Why? Because it's the sign of the very soon is the rain fall down now. So we can say thunder, 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 okay? We say thunder. After the thunder, when the rain is finished, we have a rain, lightning, everything is finished. This is a sky, is a 7 color is appear on the sky and we say the 7 color, the group of the 7 color like the curve, we say rainbow, 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 the 7 color rainbow. As you can see, is a purple, the blue color, green color, yellow color and like the golden this color and the pink and the red color. So we say rainbow, after the rain finish, so it's appear on the sky, we can say rainbow, okay? Did you know, student, when the rain is come, you come to school, what stuff you need to in the rain you use? What stuff we use in the rainy season? The stuff of the rainy season is the need in the rainy season, we use in the rainy season. When students come to school, it's a very heavy rain, what you use in the rainy season? So teacher Bibi is going to teach here. Repeat with teacher Bibi, please. Rainy coat, teacher Bibi have also rainy coat, can you see? It's a rainy coat, we wear is a rainy coat, we not wet, is protect us from the rain, from the water, and safe our cloth is not wet. So we say rainy coat, rainy coat, rainy coat, rainy boot. Rainy boot, why we use the rainy boot? Because is a water everywhere, on the road, on the land, on the everywhere is the water, and our feet, our socks and our shoes, socks will be wet, so we use this because it's made from the plastic, and we use rainy boot, okay? The next, you need umbrella. Student use umbrella. Student have to take the umbrella because umbrella protect us from the rain, from the water, and not lets us wet, okay? So we use umbrella because it's the important stuff we use in the rainy season. Okay, student, teacher Bibi is going back one more time, and teacher Bibi repeat it, and you please repeat with teacher Bibi. In the rainy season, how is the rainy season, when the rainy season is start, when the rain is fall down, what happening all around us, and what is the event, and what sign we can see. Rainy season. This week our topic is rainy season. Wind. When the rain start, before rain is the wind, must be wind. And windy or windy, we can say wind or windy. Wind. Lightning. All the sky is bright and have a light, so we say lightning. After lightning, what is that? Thunder. Oh, is a terrible voice, the students scared, they were scared, they have a mom, I'm scared because it's a very heavy sound we can hear from the sky, is the sign of the rain, okay? Thunder. After thunder, the rain is finished, and what is up here? Rainbow. The 7 color beautiful curve appear on the sky, and the people is enjoy it because looking very beautiful. So we say rainbow. And student, what stuff we use in the rainy season? The important stuff we use in the rainy season, when the rain is come, what we have imported, put in our bag, and we go outside. When we go in the rainy season, we go to school, we go to outside, what we use? We must be use rainy coat, like teacher Bibi have over here now. Can you see? Rainy coat, protect us from the rain. Rainy coat. Rainy boot, like the shoes, and it protect us from the rainy water. Rainy boot, rainy boots. Umbrella, because umbrella protect us from the water of the rain, and we not wet our head, our clothes is safe from the rainy water. So student, teacher Bibi teach you about the rainy season this week. This week our topic is rainy season, and this week we have a national holidays, so we have only 3 days, and teacher Bibi have a 3 days to you, and I hope student understand the topic of the rainy season and the cycle of the rain and the song of the rain. All the video, please must watch the video. And parent, I request you please help your kids, because I have a video chat with the parent understand English, many parents can speak English. Please help your kids, because the student is very young and they have attend class very short time, and you please help them. They will be understand, and when they come back, teacher Bibi will repeat it all again. And have a nice day. Stay at home. Please take care yourself, your kid. Thank you. Bye bye and สวัสดีค่ะ